Hey, hello everyone, my name is Alessandro Buffoli, welcome to my tech channel. So today I wanted to show you something super cool, that is the Task Changer application for the Samsungs. And the Task Changer is basically the task management system, that is this one. As you can see, I choose this one in a grid because it's super cool and it helps me a lot, and it has some kind of management that is really productive and useful. Of course, there is also this button that I showed in the other video that allow you to open a multi-windows application. By the way, let me go over nice look here in the Task Changer app. Of course, you can enable or not, and you can change the layout type. There is the stack type, that is basically this one. I don't like it a lot, but if you want something like the iPhone, I guess that is like something like this. So there is the list that is kind of cool, is pretty similar to the one I'm using it. Then there is the grid, that is basically the one that I use. So then you can use the carousel, and this one is pretty weird. I don't know, I don't like it, but maybe you can like it. And the slim list, that I totally don't like it because you can't understand what's on the app. Of course you can read the title, but it's not very quick to understand which app is open and in which page you are, because like in Opera, the browser, I don't know in which page I am. So anyway, if you have a lot of application open, this one it might be helpful, I don't know. And the last one in Task Changer is the vertical stack, that is this one. Pretty messy also this one, I don't know, I don't like it, but maybe you like it. So to install this one, you need to follow the indication over this video, and you need to install Good Look, or if you live in a country where it's not supported, you need to install Nice Look, that is this suite over here that allow you to install all these modules and use them. So if you are in a country or a region where you can install it, you just need to go over the Galaxy Store and write Task Changer, just like that. And as you can see, I live in Italy, so I can't install it because in Italy we can't use it, but maybe in your country you can. So if you can, just install it here and it will work. But if you can't install it, you need to check the link down below in description and go over this website, and that is basically APK Mirror. So the version of this application is the last one, is the 3.0.00.16, and you just need to go down here and press download APK. Then your download is starting, click download and open it, and now install. Okay, perfect. Now click done. Go over the Nice Look application, and of course you can see here Task Changer that is updated. You can enter, and as I showed you before, you can change the layout type, the blur effect, etc. Okay guys, so for today is all. I hope that this video was helpful, and if you have any question, any doubt, just write it down in the comments below, in the comment section below. And of course, if this video was helpful, remember to put a thumbs up just down here. Well, for today is all, so see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.